Transcend the legacy migration toolset. If you are in management or you are a migration professional just like me, then this is for you. We all know this tool setup. Everyone has it. A ton of different tools for different purposes, all glued together by PowerShell. The legacy toolset is basically scripting plus manual work. It is error-prone, slow, and really time-consuming. The many tools are isolated and they're not working well together. So PowerShell becomes the driver. In other words, the one thing that makes it all happen. In essence, the quality, speed, and success of your migration projects depends on you being a top PowerShell expert. However, not all of us have the desire to become a scripting wizard and spend all day writing and debugging scripts. Luckily, you can evolve and do all your migrations using no code from one unified environment, Migration Flow for SharePoint. It is an enterprise class tool. It does all the control logic on top of all the data management and analysis that you would otherwise have to script or do manually in various tools. So, what's in it for you? Well, first, no code means that everyone on your migration team can participate, not only the scripting experts. So, your workforce is instantly expanded. Altogether, what you get is an enterprise class integrated migration environment, where, like I said, everyone on your team can participate. It gives you higher productivity, reduces the risk, and your overall quality will go up, ultimately leading to savings, like 80% less human resources, 65% less cost, and the project done in half the time. Alright, tech stuff coming up. I will briefly cover some of the top technical benefits. If you're not too technical, then skip the rest and let's get in touch. Otherwise, hang on and enjoy the next few minutes. Okay, again, I think the best of all is that everyone in your migration team can participate, not only the PowerShell experts. Control flow. The way the job is built and how it runs is totally visual and self-explanatory. Completely opposite scripting. You just connect the dots and run. The for each is a key element of any scripting language. In Migration Flow for SharePoint, it is made super simple. You just connect a data set from any data source and do actions for each row with the column values as the parameters. Reporting. One of the most challenging and important tasks is completely encapsulated, and there are no, like in zero, log files floating around. All is stored in the database, consolidated in real time across all jobs. Data Builder. Build the data you need for the migration. Transform and consolidate multiple data sets and insert, update results in SharePoint Lists, database tables, or export it to another CSV. The data analyzing capabilities help you analyze the data in your source and target environments, get to know it, and find the inconsistencies. Excel, CSV data management. Even now in modern days, CSV and Excel files are all over the place. They are time consuming and most often requires you to do scripting and manual work to get what you need. With Migration Flow, you can filter, transform, insert, update results in SharePoint lists, database tables, or export to other CSV files. Notice that the filtering supports all data types, including datetime and numeric, and you can also do SQL. Dynamic file distribution. The unique URL building feature combined with performance optimized logics enables you to distribute literally millions of individual files across thousands of libraries with high performance, without losing control and overview thanks to the consolidated real-time reporting. And the SharePoint Online throttling protection ensures that you will succeed. Altogether, effectively eliminating any third-party file migration tool or PowerShell commandlet. FileShare discovery. Replace any third-party tool for analysis of what's in that FileShare. Unique is that you can output the scanning results directly to SQL Server, Power BI, or any other model tool to efficiently do the analysis. Legacy CMS support. The architecture of most all legacy document management systems, including the custom-made ones, relies on files stored in a FileShare and the associated metadata stored in a database. So it's all about combining the two and construct document library items with relevant metadata using the SharePoint data types, derived from the metadata stored in the database, and then distributing across pre-built SharePoint sites at high speed. Also, in some cases, reconstruction of folder hierarchies from linked lists is a task, and that is also supported. All of the above features are implemented in a generic and super flexible way. PowerShell embedding. You can, if you must, embed and execute proprietary PowerShell script. It is totally integrated into the migration setup and becomes an active part of the automatic error tracking and reporting. It is intended for site provisioning and other specialized tasks. And lastly, but not the least, the unattended job server. It is a high-performance scheduling engine that runs as an unattended Windows service. However, this one is closely monitored and aware of any issue and able to notify and recover. Opposite the Windows Task Manager, that is. Okay, that's it for now. There are so many cool features to cover, so let's connect. Seeing is believing, I promise. Thank you.